So here's the apartment. Actually, I'll show you the hallway coming up first. It's on the 3rd floor. There's a little landing. I'm going through some stuff, so there's a pile of things to get rid of here. It's not a terribly well-kept hallway, but it is what it is. So here's the main room. There's like a coat rack here and table, 2 windows, this futon that I use as a couch, a desk, bookshelf, fridge, vacuum cleaner. There's a little storage in here. Backing up here is the kitchen. So there's a microwave, gas stove and oven, small dishwasher. Here's the bathroom. There's a small tub. And this is kind of a cool part. There's a door here. It's a window that opens like a door. And so when it's nice, I have like a step here that you can come out. And there's like a little area. I have a little chair and a little tiny table that can fit here. And this is the view from the back. This is the fire escape, so you can go directly down from here. And that black car, that's my car, and that's where your parking spot would be. So this is just the neighborhood. Back in. So we're back here, and then the last thing is the bedroom. So it has one window and these kind of vaulted ceiling. And here's the view out the window. It's in the front of the building. There's no closet, so I have a clothing rack and some shelves there that I keep my stuff in. So I think that's everything. This is out, not a great view of these 2 windows, but it's really nice light. I think that's all.